And then coming up to 37,000 feet as we start our journey.
Now, this is wow.
We're leaving out the cable hands over Nat and her team. So once again, welcome aboard, sit back, relax, enjoy, and we'll chat again just before the descent. Some of the latest weather conditions in Bangkok.
Let's check everything. Let's check everything. Movies playing. You can check each and every movies. Furious 7. Look at this. 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 Hello, Jaja.
Mang Jaja.
Hello, Jaja. You know, sometimes it's good to take yourself. No, I already took some pictures. Already did. Huh? You can do that. Already did. Did.
Same hairstyle.
Same hairstyle, I'm telling you. Look. 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 Hello.
Lena, Jake.
Helena. Hello. Hello. How are you? Yeah, these guys, they don't want to take, they don't want to say anything. Yeah? It's only
We
us.
don't want to say anything.
It's only us. Why it's supposed to be us all the time? Dad. Always me. Supposed to be the one taking videos.
Because.
Always me. Why can't they take videos?
Because.
Because of what?
Because.
Of what?
Because.
How? Because of what? Arch? 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 Eva? Arch?
My baby also.
Love it?
Navi?
Not too much.
Yeah, Navi, put it together. Put it together. Where's it?
Okay, now you know the way I'm so tired. You know, leaving from Cape Town, we slept at 4 yesterday. You know, it's so tiring. I'm so tired. But you know, through the grace and the mercy of the Lord, I'm so grateful that the Lord, Father Jesus, who's up in heaven, He's the only provider that makes everything possible. Look at us now, where we are. Oh, in a lovely, beautiful flight. What is this, man? God, please give us more. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen.